Hello, everyone. This is Cesar Gonzalez, owner and CEO of Gonzalez Social Media Consultants. First of all, thank you all for liking this page and taking a couple of minutes to watch this quick video to explain to you what we do. I'm going to go ahead and dive right in and let you know exactly what we do here at Gonzalez Social Media. So we provide billboards. So billboards actually... billboards work, but at what cost, right? So you see these all across. The reason they're still here at this time during the technology is that they work, but they're expensive, right? Expensive to maintain, expensive to be able to purchase or lease or things like that. So what we do is we will provide billboards through Google Ads and explain to you how that works, right? So where are billboards mainly at? They are in the highways, right? Because that's where the most traffic has the most chance of it to be looked at. But that doesn't mean it's very relevant to have them there, right? So in billboards on the side of the highways or high traffic below in relevance, this is the internet. This is the highway internet, right? Got information going back and forth. So what we want to do for you and your business is we want to put a billboard in every corner. A digital billboard for you to be able to be noticed no matter where the internet highway goes, right? Even more relevant, right? If there's more information, more things coming through it, so we want to put you in every corner, be able to be seen by that particular customer searching for whatever a business that you have, right? And if there's a lot more, right? A lot more traffic. It could be a lot more relevance because we're going to put one in every little cook and cranny in every little corner that we want to have your billboard on the internet highway. All right. So this is a common practice. This is what a lot of marketing advertisers do, but they don't tell you. Right? Especially if they're using Google AdWorks. This is one of the main programs that we're going to use as well. So, Google AdWorks, I'd be more than happy to explain to you on a one-on-one video. I can go ahead and submit if you're interested. I can send you a little one-on-one video with free market analysis for your particular business. But this is the common practice, right? They'll put up an ad campaign for you with ad groups within the campaign and then a bunch of different ads containing keywords that you'll be able to search in Google, right? We have a program that we specifically set up for just us that we provide a 1% performance, a one-on-one method. So we are only looking for one dentist in the dentist field, one lawyer in the lawyer field, one doctor, one orthodontist, one restaurant. So we're looking to do a one-on-one, and you will be the only person we would market in your area. That's it. That's what we do. And our fees start as low as $200 management fees. So imagine somebody advertising for you, doing all your advertising work for as little as $200. I can explain to you how that works if you're interested. We are very affordable, very economical. We want to help you grow your business because if we help you grow, you're going to help us grow. And we're here to help each other out. So our method is, a lot of marketers do not tell you this, is when they do AdWorks, the more ads you have, the more it costs you. The less ads you have, the less the cost, but the keyword is the main important thing. How I mentioned, I can explain to you on a one-on-one video for your particular business. If you're interested, just shoot me up and I'll explain to you how that works a little bit, right? So I hope you're wowed by this little video. I hope you're interested. I hope this piques that interest that as low as $200 management fee, we can start making your business grow with better customers, better leads, better whatever your field is, and then you're looking to gain. We want to grow with you. We want to be a specific partner just for you in this area. If you're interested, give me a call. My number is 956-246-7898, or you can email us at gonzalezconsultants@gmail.com. Once again, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. My name is Cesar. Have a great day.